Want to lock your iPhone to just one app so kids can't exit YouTube or so you can stay focused? That's where guided access comes in. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe for more smart iPhone tips that keep you in control. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. Step 3. Under the General section, tap Guided Access. Step 4. Toggle on Guided Access, then tap Passcode Settings. Step 5. Set a 6-digit passcode or use Face ID or Touch ID to end a session when you're ready. You're now ready to use guided access. Step 6. To start using it, open any app, let's say Notes or YouTube, then triple press the side button. You'll see the guided access setup screen. From here, you can disable areas of the screen by circling them. Turn off buttons like volume or motion, set a time limit. When you're ready, tap Start in the top right corner. And that's it. Your iPhone is now locked to that app. No swiping, no quitting, no interruptions. Perfect for focus sessions, presentations, or letting the kids play safely. Subscribe now for more iPhone tips you'll actually use.